Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Google Chrome split view feature. So this allows you to take two separate pages and put them in a split view or a split pane view so you can look at them side by side. So this is similar to the Microsoft Snap feature where you could do something like this and pick another window here, for example, like this, and have it side by side. But this is done within the web browser itself. Alright, so how it works is you have your tabs open here. They do say you could kind of drag and kind of make it work that way, but it's very hard to do. See how it has that little create split view? That's one way to do it, but most of the time I've noticed you end up getting the Windows split view like this, and then you're just splitting it like that, and then you're going to have to somehow get it back into your other browser window here. Sometimes you could do that by dragging the tab itself and then snapping it back in there. So what I like to do is find the tab you want to split, or just one of them, right click on it, add to new split view, and then you could pick the other tab. So let's say we want to compare computers on this website here. So the same model here with two different prices. So we want to just be able to have them side by side without having to toggle back and forth between our open tabs. And then once you have these split, you'll notice there's a button here that shows up where you can separate them, close the left, close the right, reverse them, which will just swap them. And then you have the same options up here if you right click and arrange. And then one thing you notice too, when you have one of these groups here, you could right click on one of these, move into split view, but you'll have to swap with one of the other ones. And sometimes if you click on the tab first, then you can add tab to new split view. Let's say we want to do this. Now we have a double split view option here. And I have seen it before where you could have a third window, so have three in a row, but for some reason I can't get that to work anymore. And I did read that it was part of the Chrome kind of experimental features, so that might be an option. When you're watching this video, maybe they'll add the ability to have three split views side by side there. All right, so let me close this one out here or separate it. All right, let's go back to the way we were here. So another way you could use this. So let's say you're doing a search for the same computer here, and you want to leave your search results open, yet have a split view. You could right click on a link, open link in new split view, and then you could scroll between your result here and your search result page here. So let's say you found another one that you'd like to check out. This one at Sam's Club. You can right click this, open link in right view, and that'll actually replace the page that was on the right here. And then if you come here, you could open in left view and kind of swap back and forth. And then you can see you have them grouped up here. And then if you right click, you have the options to separate the views just like you do from here. And it will leave that other page open along with your search results. Just put it in a new tab by itself. All right, so once again, just pick a tab, right click, add to new split view, pick what you want to match it up with. Let's say we want to do this one this time. And then you can do the same thing. Let's say we want to match this up with the search results. And we have our two grouped split view tabs. And then you have the option to separate them, close the left, close the right, reverse them. And then like I said before too, just look for the other option here when you right click to add the additional page to your current split view to get the 3 pane or maybe even a 4 pane. So I'm not sure if Google's still working on that or why it seems to work sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. So as usual with Google and Chrome, your results will vary. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.